Ashley, A is for
apple,
B is for
book,
C is for
cat,
D is for
and drum,
E is for
elephant,
F is for
fish,
G is for
gift,
H is for
hat,
I is for
ice cream,
J is for
shower,
K is for
key,
L is for
gift,
M is for
map,
N is for
number,
O is for
orange,
P is for
big,
Q is for
world,
R is for
ribbon,
S is for
star,
T is for
telescope,
U is for
umbrella,
W is for X is for
telephone,
Y is for
yard,
Z is for
zebra.
very good. Love you, Ashley.
I love you, Mama.